I'm the ninth of 10 children. My mom and dad did not attend Texas A&M. My oldest brother, when he got ready to go to college in 1972, chose A&M. And then my next sister went to A&M. To make a long story short, all 10 of us went to A&M. And so I started at the Mays Business School and wanted to be a marketing major. My suite mate actually went to high school with my husband, Chris, and we were in, I believe, a management class, and I met him.
Cindy is one of the kindest people I know. Everything she does comes from a caring place. A&M changed my trajectory and my wife's trajectory, both individually and as a couple. We've made a lot of friends along the way over our careers, and some of our closest friends are some of the first people we worked with out of college.
When I was at school, Dr. Barry and Jerry King were both very influential for my husband and I, not only in school and schoolwork, but also helping us in our career and helping us find connections for interviewing and going to work, whether it's Chris at Walmart or me at Procter & Gamble.
We both came up through Fortune 500 companies, and then we've also been very small and entrepreneur.
When Chris said, hey, I want to start my own business, yeah, it's scary, but why not try? My dad always said, you can always try something different, but if you don't try something, you don't know if it will succeed. And so that's how our business got started.
She's deserving of this because she's accomplished so much in our professional life. She's been my business partner since 2003, but also she's really intentional about giving back.
You're giving back, but it's giving to you still. A&M gave me an education when I was there, and it's given my kids an education and a really great foundation. You're meeting people with similar values. I've met some really great friends through the Mays Advisory Board who will probably be lifelong friends.
I was part of the Mays Advisory Board, and she was one of the first friends I made. I nominated Cindy. She's just everything you could want in an Aggie. The fact that she's been so creative, she's a successful entrepreneur, she's created these amazing brands. Our young folks are real lucky to have her.
She has been a terrific friend to the students on campus in terms of showing them the way that you can be, if you're a young woman who's coming through our school, and say, of course you can do these things. Of course you are capable. And I think that is a terrific example.
Cindy always doubles down on what can we do to make the experience an incredible experience for our students. So that's always first and foremost of her mind, is the students at Texas A&M and Mays Business School.
If I had to tell a student one thing, I would tell them you're going to hear a lot of no's in life, but you also will hear some yeses, and maybe a one yes will outweigh all those no's and be worth it. So don't be afraid to try.